the 26 years I've been doing dentistry, I've seen a lot of changes in the world as well as in my office. For example, you used to go to bookstores and read a book. Now everybody's getting their books online, putting bookstores out of business, whether it be your Kindle, your Nook, or your Kobo. Wonderful little devices, helps save on space, and this is again the way the book business is going to be going. My business is a little different. In the dental business, we're looking at big changes too. We just made a huge investment in the new hard tissue dental laser. A wonderful tool to take care of tooth decay without using the drill, the thing that scares a lot of people. Instead of using steel and having the heat and the friction to remove decay, we're using water and we're using light. And by doing that, we're giving ourselves an opportunity to avoid anesthesia at least 75 to 80% of the time. A lot of comfort is involved with the dental laser. It's just a water spray. I never even touch your tooth. By not touching your tooth and not having that heat and friction, again, you stay comfortable, and it allows me to remove tooth decay, it allows me to remove plastic fillings. Doesn't quite allow me to take away silver fillings. We have to use the normal ways that we've done for years and years. But who knows what will happen in the next 5 or 10 years. But right now, we are excited about the prospects of the dental laser in terms of doing better work for you. The work will allow us to go and be far more conservative, just removing tooth structure, not removing excess tooth. By doing that, your tooth stays happy, your tooth stays healthy, less of a possibility of having crowns and root canals in the future if we could be conservative. And if we can be conservative in that aspect, you're going to be a lot happier too.
Hi, we just got through training. We have a brand new laser. We're excited to share about it. Can treat anything basically from cold sores to cavities. A lot more comfortable of a dental experience, so we're really excited to share it with you guys, and we can't wait till you come in and we can show it to you.
Because the procedure happens very quickly, and it is amazing technology. This is just another addition that Brian wants to use, and we think will be a great new tool for us.
Water and light to fix teeth, so we're really excited about it.
Lasers are a way of the future in dentistry, whether it be soft tissues, taking care of gum problems that people have, but now we're even doing laser bleaching, where now we're cutting the time down and we're getting a far better result on bleaching your teeth. People with jaw issues, jaw pain, sore muscles, etc. We can use an attachment on our soft tissue laser to make you feel better. But the biggest and most exciting thing, being able to cut teeth, being able to remove decay with the hard tissue laser, this is really the way of the future, and we are glad that we are a leader in that particular area of dentistry.